Vietnam Vlog 2023. Avoid these mistakes when booking hotels through third-party websites like Expedia. All right, so let's get into it. This year I traveled to Vietnam and I booked my first hotel while I was in Australia, and I used Expedia. Okay, so in this video I'm going to give you 3 tips that are hopefully helpful so that you don't get caught out in situations that will leave you completely exhausted and frustrated when you arrive to your destination. For this video, that would be Vietnam. Okay. All right, so the first tip I will give you is to try to use a site where you can book your hotel and pay on arrival. All right, so I say this because let's go over some of basics, right? So whenever you're looking at hotels, you always want to check the reviews, read reviews, the positives and the negatives. You always want to compare the pricing, right? Because you want to get the best price. You want to get the most bang out of your buck. So check pricing, check the reviews. You can look at the pictures, right? But on these websites, there's a lot of foolery that is going on. So there's pictures that are just done up, they're fake, they're photoshopped, they're whatever. You think you're looking at a beautiful room, and then once you get there, it's a hole in the wall, right? Or you're looking at this hotel, you're reading these positive, fantabulous reviews, and then you book a room there, and then once you land, you find out that the hotel doesn't even exist. So these things happen, okay? So this is why I suggest that you try to find a third-party website where you can book it but not pay for it until you arrive, okay? Because if you get there and there's no hotel, or you booked a hole in the wall, you won't feel gutted, right? Because the money's in your pocket and you'll be able to just get another hotel. Vietnam has thousands of hotels and Airbnb, so you'll find one very quickly. Okay, so let me tell you what happened to me. I booked my hotel on Expedia, and I did not pay for it. Okay, I just booked it and I said that I'll pay on arrival. Now, once I arrived at this hotel, they were very nice. They sat me down, they gave me a nice little welcome drink, nice little warm tea, right? Just to inform me that there were no rooms available at that hotel. So it was kind of like they threw sugar on SH you know what, right? Sorry, but there's no rooms here. And at this time, mind you, I'm deliriously tired. I mean, I really can't even see straight. I'm that tired. I'm just exhausted. This is why I'm giving the first tip. Okay, so tip number 2 is, if you see a hotel and let's say you have to pay for it, only pay for one night. And the reason why I say this is because, again, you never really know what you're getting. You want to make sure that you check your dates, like triple check your dates, make sure that that's all the way together. And you want to confirm your booking. All right, so if you pay for one night, you want to make sure that you confirm it. And usually when you use a third-party website like Expedia or any of those other ones, right? They'll send you an email, just like a confirmation email. And you want to make sure that you confirm, whether they're asking you to send a message or what have you. Make sure that you confirm so they know that, okay, we're really expecting you. And that that might have been the reason why the first hotel I booked didn't work out. Okay, so I'll continue telling you what happened. So, okay, I arrived at the hotel. They gave me warm tea, lots of smiles. They didn't have any rooms. So, what did I do? Did I freak out? No. Did I, go off? Why go off on somebody? It doesn't matter. I'm exhausted, and I just took out my laptop and started looking for another hotel. And here's another tip. The universe, God, your spirit guides, they might have something better for you in store. So when something doesn't work out, don't freak out about it. Just know in your mind that, hey, this wasn't meant for me. There's something better waiting, right? So that's what happened. I booked another hotel. Delirious. I just saw something that looked good. I was like, all right, I hope this works. Because I didn't have the energy to do anything else. I didn't pay. Okay. I called them on the phone and said, hey, do you have a room available tonight? Right? To make sure that I didn't get a cab to the next hotel and then have them tell me the same story. We don't have any rooms. So they had a room available, and so I got in a cab and just went on my way. It wasn't that far from the other hotel. And I tell you what, once I arrived at this hotel, I was extremely happy. Okay, it looked so much nicer from the outside. And then I walked into the lobby, and it was so much nicer than the other hotel that I just left. So I just thank God. I thank the universe. I'm like, yes, this is me. This hotel is me. Here is a little tour of my room at that hotel. All right, so it is time for the room tour at my hotel. It is very nice, very spacious. I am paying, I think this is like $29 to $30 a night, but because I have Expedia points, it was only like $13 or $11, something crazy. $13. Well, look at this. Okay, this is what I call a really cozy room. You have somewhere nice. Well, I have my book bag there. You have somewhere really nice to sit. You have water, complimentary, free. And I love all things free. So you got coffee, tea, water. And this is what I love. Somewhere where you can actually work. And this is me. Okay, so you have your work area. Somewhere to just sit. You have your bed. And look at the little folded towels. It's so cute. And look at this. It's showing, I guess, the old Tannoy or what have you. Some cute pictures. We have the television, of course. All right, and this is the bed. Nice and big. It's a little cool outside, so I have the heater on. Okay, the heater works. And this is just a cute little setup. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Yep, so this is how the room looks. Let's go into the bathroom, check it out. Nice door. Walk in, everything's together, nice and clean. You have your toilet, tissue, shower. You have to wash my hair. There's a blow dryer, extra tissues. Complimentary razor, toothbrush, comb, shower cap. Okay, you have your shampoo, body wash, hand soap, and your sink, and your mirror. Somewhere to hang your clothes right there. And then you have privacy. So if you come in here with someone, you're dating or whatever, or just a friend, you have some privacy. So this is cool. This is what I'm talking about. This is like my standard of budget friendly, comfortable. This is it. All right. So I stayed in hotels, and I also stayed in an Airbnb while I was in Vietnam. And tip 3, when you're in the country of Vietnam, especially when it comes to Airbnbs, if you can physically go check the property for yourself with your own eyeballs. Feel the energy of the place, of the area. Make sure that your room is up to your standards before you actually book with the host. All right, so that's it. I hope these 3 tips are helpful to you. Let me know about your experiences as far as booking hotels through third party websites. How was it? If you have any other tips to add, write it down in the comments. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If there's anything else you'd like to let me know, or any other videos that you like to see, then just let me know in the comments. I send you love, positive energy, and fabulous travel experiences. So look down in the description for some more videos to check out. And until the next one, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.